Hi everyone, in today's video, we will be checking out the Zike USB-C extended storage. It is a USB-C extended storage for supported Android or iOS devices and have a number of cool functions listed on the packing, some of which we will dive deeper into later in our video. The box itself is very nicely packed and packaged. Inside the box, users will find one Zike USB-C extended storage. Next out is the user guide to guide users on product operation. Also inside is the two USB-C cables which users can use to extend the connection to the Zike extended storage when mounting on a phone. On first impressions, the Zike USB-C extended storage is good. It has a simple easy-to-use design where users can plug and play to start use. It has a sturdy build quality on it. When I hold onto it, it feels sturdy and solid in design. With USB-C, I can easily start using it on supported devices. It works with Android or iOS devices that support such extended storage function. Once I plug in, the extended storage will boot up. Once it is boot up, I can see the cool LCD display light up and it contains useful statistic like the storage capacity, temperature, and more. It is detected on my phone as you can see. I got the 1 TB variant and it's a lot of space for my videos or media files to store files on it. Amazing! There is also cool RGB lighting effects on the 1 TB print circle where it illuminates cool lighting effects when I am using it. Amazing! Use it for your video recording files, especially if you are a video creator like me. I record a lot of videos and I can move the video files right into the Zike extended storage after my filming for saving of my device's internal storage. Cool feature. It supports a maximum 27W charging, so even when using the drive, I can plug a cable into it to charge my phone up when I am low on phone battery. Good innovative design. As you know, transferring data needs power, and to help prevent overheat, it has a built-in cooling fan to keep it stable in temperature during file transfers. It supports high-speed data transfers too, with a speed up to 990 megabytes per second for read speed and write speed of 960 megabytes per second. It is a good fast rate in my opinion. Overall, I find the Zike USB-C extended storage a good innovative design for heavy data storage users like me. It works good with iOS devices too with the magnetic design. It can stick on any phones with metal backs. Cool, right? If you own an iOS devices that support USB-C like the iPhone 15 or 16, it states on the box that it supports 4K 120 frames per second ProRes to allow you to film and store videos efficiently. I had a fun time using the Zike extended storage 1 TB version as it allowed me to store many files and recordings on it seamlessly on my USB-C capable device. If you want to find out more about it, check out the link in description. Thank you for watching.